Hello and welcome to the April market update. Tony Marlette Jr. here at Brookside Tax and Financial Group. Let's get right to it. So in March, all the major indexes were positive. That includes the Dow Jones Industrial Average, the S&P, the NASDAQ, and the Russell. We even had gold up 8%, U.S. real estate up almost 2%, and the bond index crept a little positive, albeit under 1%. This was mainly all due to continued earnings. Speaking of earnings, we've been in this pattern, this holding pattern of waiting for rate drops. Inflation, although it hasn't come down as much as it once was, it's been very stubborn. Spending has still been very consistent. And although the jobs report is hollow, as we've talked about in past updates, it does look good on paper. So these two things are really not incentivizing the Fed to lower rates. Remember, they have what's known as the dual mandate. Their two goals being stable prices and maximum employment. Large growth stocks continue to be the story in the market. And it's not out of the question that we could see a double-digit rate of return this year. Remember, though, when that happens, the market, and it is right now, very expensive, relatively speaking. What you pay for an asset is important to the long-term returns that you should expect. Right now, there are valuations that appear to be better in other categories like small caps, mid caps, and the value sector as well. Coming into 2024, we had high expectations for bonds. We expected interest rate drops, and although that has yet to materialize and it keeps getting pushed out because, as we mentioned, earnings and inflation, yields are still relatively high. So sitting on the sidelines one way or the other until things calm down a little bit or until the election is over remains a bad idea. The best method for you to get back in is to incorporate a strategy that plans for your goals, strategy, and time frame, and also has some flexibility in there to be nimble as well. If you'd like to review your situation with us, feel free to do so. You can schedule an appointment by stopping into our office, calling, or going online. And when you schedule your session, your strategy session will be complimentary, and you'll also be able to pick up a copy of one of our books on retirement planning and estate planning as well. From all of us at Brookside, we thank you for working with us, and we look forward to continuing to work with you.